Want to glow with energy every morning? These 3 healthy breakfasts take 5 minutes. No fancy gear. Let's kickstart your day. 3 breakfasts to fuel your body. Oats, yogurt, fruit, avocado. No cooking skills needed. Just mix and eat. Ready for a morning boost. 3 recipes, 1 minute each. Follow the steps. These will power you up. Chia yogurt parfait. Scoop half a cup Greek yogurt into a glass. Add 1 tablespoon chia seeds, a handful of berries and a drizzle of honey. Protein and fiber for energy. Done. Prep it overnight for speed. Banana. Oat bites. Mash. 1 banana. Mix in half a cup oats. 1 tablespoon peanut butter. Roll into 6 balls. No baking. Quick carbs for a boost. Try almond butter if you like. Avocado toast. Toast whole grain bread. Smash half an avocado on it. Sprinkle chili flakes. Squeeze lemon juice. Healthy fats for focus. Make it fresh. These give protein, carbs, fats to fuel your day. Parfait builds strength. Bites spark energy. Toast keeps you sharp. Pair with workouts for a full glow up. Chia parfait. Oat bites, avocado toast. All in 5 minutes. Fridge parfaits for 2 days. Store bites for a week. Make toast fresh. Which will you try? Your breakfast just leveled up. These keep you energized and glowing. Like if you're hungry, subscribe to Dynamic Fitness Zone for more and comment "Glow Up" below. Try my workouts next.